the next chapter, we also focus on building the responsible AI enterprise, but we move forward a little bit about the generative AI and the new technology we call Agentic AI. So we refine the enterprise intelligence and how Agentic AI to transform our autonomous ecosystem. As we can see in the State of AI 2025, many companies want to use agentic AI, but they still struggle how to try to move from pilot to the production because they may not include the innovations, or they may not include the governance, or they may not include the people part into the transformations. As we can see, many industry, almost all the industry have been adopt agentic AI, from the telecommunication, finance, or healthcare. We also have the use case from IT, from marketing, from the supply chain or human resource, similar to the normal use case in the enterprise that already exists. So if you want to expand your use case from traditional AI into the agentic AI or even the generative AI, you need to start from what you have, not to start for the new use case, which is too dangerous to start. So for the agentic AI shift is underway right now because the AI has been smarter and they have more reasonings. So the capability have been changed. For example, like a support decision to help to make decision together, or even the natural language understanding. In the past, they may understand some of the language, but right now they can understand not only the one language, but maybe the mixed language or the competing language. So the AI is smarter to understand the language. And also the multimodal as well. So they understand not only you input the text, but multimodal, that means include the text, video together. So they understand multi-resource, multi-source as well. As a result, the way that they understand more and they have more better decisions, so they can help us not only to assist, but to augment our intelligence. They can suggest based on the complicated problem as well. And right now, the AI can translate the answer that they normally tell only answer into the programming language that can take the action for us. If they connect to the computer, they can use a computer as a, they can use a mouse, they can use the computer to browse into the internet. Or even if they connect to the robotic arms or the robots, they can execute some of the not complicated tasks as well. So this is a way that agentic move from the screen out of the computer and take the action, the real action for the robots. The next thing is once they already have more intelligence and more actions, they can resolve more problems and complicate problems as well. So this is an evaluation of the intelligence. However, to get the good AI, you need the good data. And you get to transfer the good data into the insight fast enough for the AI to make decisions. Many times AI make the wrong decisions and is always random or give the probabilistic answer. So human always need to be included in the loop. So let me give the sample about the agentic AI, how we from the insight to the actions in the industrial operations or supply chain. The sample like Siemens, they already introduced AI agents for the industrial automations. So they plan to include the agent to help to detect the anomaly detections or even monitor the day-to-day operations. So not only the human to monitor 24 hours, right? AI help human to make more better decision and monitor the events that may occur at night. The next thing is even the Bosch or have the smart factory that have the robot within the factory to help them to deliver or to move things. So it is better for the employee to monitor the factory during the night and also the early morning as well. And DHL also have a robot that been included in the factory or included in the delivery as well to help the driver or to help the supply chain in the factory to be more efficient. At the financial institute, we also include the agentic AI into the fraud detection and risk mitigations. In the past, when we detect for the anomaly, we may detect only the number or the financial transactions. But right now, because of Agentic have abilities to learn from multiple language or multiple source, so we can detect not only from the tables, but we also detect the anomaly in the document or even in the video as well. On the other hand, if we want to access the risk from the incoming information or the streaming of the data, in the past, the people may need to watch the video and identify the anomalies. But right now, we can use AI to detect or screen what is normal, and then just report only the abnormals to the customer or to the employee within the company, so he or she can go through the detail and identify the risk. Agentic AI also happen in many process in the bank. So for example, like to engage a customer or to do the underwrite or financial forecasting. As you can see that the Citibanks also apply agentic AI in many ways in the bank. So the thing that make the agentic AI transformation successful is not only the vision from the AI executive, but also in the middle layers, what is the managers that they need to upskill and ready to use AI. They need to open the mindset, try to use the AI tools and try to apply in their operation process to improve the productivity and efficiency. Also, in the hospital, we also improve the healthcare or the patient care in the agentic AI as well. As we already talked that in the past, generative AI can help you to assist some of the basic concept or create the content, right? Agentic AI is better than generative AI. They can decide will they going to use agentic AI to solve the problem, or they use the predictive AI to solve the problem, or not AI to use the problem and send the report or send the result to the human to make decisions. So the basic thing that have a better impact is we go through the whole process about the patient care process. For example, in this example, we also include the product development and clinical trial, which is a sample of the drug discovery or the vaccine discovery. We can use AI to use us to brainstorm the product idea and the combination of the product. Or even the clinical trial, we can simulate the patients to try before we apply for the real patients. Or even for the supply chain, we already told that we can use generative AI to help us to optimize the supply chain. Also the go-to-market strategy and also sales and support. We can use agent to help us to support for the new product or in the peak time that the many people contacting the hospital. All in all that for the patient care or hospital or even non-profit can be beneficial for the agentic AI as well.